Come on, let's go. Let's go outside. Come on, we're gonna go out to go poopies. Come on, Dad will take you out. Let's go. Come on. Piggies love to go poopies. They love going poopies. They do. They do. They love to eat and they love going poopies. And they love going outside to go poopies. All right, let's go. Let's see what Dexter does when he sees 8 inches of snow out here. Come on. Ooh. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go poopies. All right, Dexter. Obviously, he does not like to go out in the snow. He's not spoiled or anything. I don't know where he gets this from. All right, let's go to your litter box then. Come on, you got to go to litter box. Come on. Come on, take you over here. Come on, get in there and go litter box. Go on. Go on, use your litter box. If you don't want to go outside, you got to use your litter box. Go on. Poopies. Poopies. I won't watch. I promise. Oh, he's going pee-pee. That's good. I'm sorry. I said I wouldn't watch. All right, now you got to go poop. Go poops. Go poops. Poop in your litter box. Go on. Go on, poop in your litter box. I won't watch. He gets a little stage fright. Go on. Go poopers. Go on. Go poopers in your litter box. Go on. Oh, no. Go poopers in your litter box. Somebody's coming up the drive, and that makes him a little uneasy. So, Dexter, go poopers in your litter box. Go on. Poopers. Poopers. Come on, let's go poopers. Let's go poopers in your litter box. Poopers. 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 Let's go poopers. Go on. Shh. Just go. This has been the struggle all day. Go on. Poopers in the litter box. All right. Go on. When his tail stops wagging, that means he's trying to poop. Go on, poopers. Oh. It's a failed mission. It's a failed mission.